Emotions can get in the way or get you on the way. So today's presentation is about theories of emotion. Hi, I am Sanya from FYBA class and my roll number is FA21082. First, we'll talk about what is emotion. In simple words, an emotion is a complex experience of consciousness, bodily sensation, and behavior that reflects the personal significance of a thing, an event, or a state of affairs. Or in psychology, emotion is often defined as a complex state of feeling that results in physiological changes that influence thought and behavior. Emotionality is associated with a range of physiological phenomena, including temperament, personality, mood, and motivation. Theories of emotion. This is the main topic of today's presentation. The major theories of emotion can be grouped into three main categories: physiological, neurological, and cognitive. As we can understand by their names, that physiological theories of emotions are responses within the body cause emotions, and neurological brain activity causes emotional responses. Cognitive thoughts from emotions. So there are six major theories of emotions, in which the first is evolutionary theory of emotion. According to the evolutionary theory of emotion, our emotions exist because they serve an adaptive role. Emotions motivate people to respond quickly and stimuli in the environment, which helps to improve the chances of success and survival. So next theory is James Lange theory of emotion. The James Lange theory is one of the best known examples of physiological theory of emotion. It postulates that emotions occur as a result of physical responses to the events. Like we can see in the picture that the stimulus is growling dog, then our heartbeat increases as physiological arousal, and we feel the emotion of fear. So next is the Cannon-Barr theory of emotion. The Cannon-Barr theory of emotion states that stimulating events trigger feelings and physical reactions that occur at the same time. For example, we can see in the picture that if we seeing a growling dog might prompt both the feeling of fear and a racing heartbeat. Next is Shakespeare-Singer theory. It's also known as two-factor theory of emotion. The Sachs-Singer theory of emotion, also known as two-factor theory of emotion, states that emotions are the product of both physiological and cognitive processes. As we can see in the picture, that stimulus is growing dog and physiological arousal is increase of heartbeat. Then our mind thinks that it's scary, so it's a cognitive label, and then we develop a emotion of fear. So second last theory is cognitive appraisal theory. Cognitive appraisal theory. According to appraisal theories of emotion, thinking must occur first before experiencing emotion. Richard Lazarus was a pioneer in this area of emotion, and this theory is often referred as Lazarus theory of emotion. As we can see that first situation occurs means any life event, appraisal, good or bad, emotions, we are liking or disliking that event, and then action that like will approach or will withdraw from that event. The last theory is facial feedback theory of emotion. The facial feedback theory of emotions suggests that facial expressions are connected to experiencing emotions. Charles Darwin and William James both noted early on that sometimes physiological responses often had a direct impact on emotion rather than simply being a consequence of the emotions. So the sequence of the process is first stimulus, then physiological response, then facial expression change, and then experience of emotion. So this was the end of my presentation. Thank you.